Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to look at a 2021 NauticStar 203 DC. Let's go ahead and start on the outside and jump on the inside. To start off with, we have our main hull color being in black, matched up with the white hull bottom, giving a really nice profile on the water, crazy reflection, and even looking amazing with the special motor we have on this boat. This right here is a Yamaha 115 horsepower outboard, but this is the super high output edition. This is a great compromise between a 115 and a 150 horsepower motor. Great torque and also great gas mileage, so this is a great motor to have as a compromise. As we walk into this boat, you will notice we have a SeaDek-like matting placed on our platform here, making it very comfortable for you to be boarding in and out on your ladder here, and also have a very comfortable and safe platform to stand on. Walking through our starboard walkthrough, you have a very convenient flip-up seat. Make sure that your upholstery stays in great condition, and also having a very safe place to board the boat. Looking at our nice wraparound meeting-like seating, we're going to have a lot of room for all your passengers, and even the capability of watching water sports with our spotters bench here, where you're going to be using that motor for. Now, as we walk through the cabin of this boat, you will notice we have a really slick looking floor in here. Not only does it look good, but it's easy to remove with snaps whenever you need to clean it after that full weekend of boating. Coming on further in here, you will see very unique styling underneath our windshield here. Over on the port side, we have a nice sink that is very easily operated, a nice little prep area, and even some stainless steel cup holders to go along with that. Now over here in our helm area, where all your captain's equipment is going to be at, we have a Simrad G05. Very easy to look at your GPS chart plotter and navigate on the lake that you may not be familiar with. Very simple gauge setup here, as they're all analog, really easy to see and highlight situations, and displays everything you need. Of course, gotta have a Bluetooth radio by Infinity to create that awesome experience on the water with audio. Now as we walk towards the bow on here, very unique styling on these NauticStars. Very wide profile on these, but very tucked away, and you got a lot of leg room. Of course, even more room for seating comfortably. You notice we have a locker down here that works great for whenever you're doing water sports on the water, and you have to have a place to store that equipment. To wrap it all up, you always gotta have a live well on an outboard boat, or what I like about this is its dual purpose is also to keep your drinks in. This compartment here up on the bow, very conveniently placed, is both a live well and a great option for a cooler. All right guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a boat you'd like to hear more information about, or even take a lake demo, please let us know. Thank you for watching.